This is the home of garden eels and razorfish, and fresh food arrives for them from deeper waters twice a day. Life seems unhurried and gentle, but there is trouble in paradise. These bottlenose dolphins eat razorfish, and they're not so easily fooled by vanishing tricks. They scan the sand with echolocating clicks to discover exactly where the razorfish are hiding. But knowing where they are is not the same as catching them. The more the dolphins dig, the deeper the razorfish burrow. But it's clearly not deep enough. Blowing jets of water into the sand exposes even the most hard-to-reach razorfish. Before long, the dolphins have had enough, and they move on. It looks as if they have picked the sand clean. But here, at least, there really are plenty more fish in the sea.